Okay, so I have pulled out like a V-shape area of my hair. I might actually put a little bit more back in because I don't think this much is necessary. So I am going to pull a little bit of it back in. I don't want to have too much out because with V parts, you don't have to have a whole bunch of leave out the way the units are made. So I'm parting out this section of my hair. So now you see the V part that is remaining. And then I'm just going to go ahead and probably just braid this up right quick. Just to kind of have it out of my way. And then I'm just going to go ahead and stick this back in my hair. My hair is twisted up underneath from me deep conditioning it. And it has some like leave-in product in there, so that's why it looks like that. But it's clean. My hair is clean, you guys. Literally just washed it 2 days ago, so it's clean. It just has leave-in conditioner in it and oil. But this is the amount of hair that I'm going to leave out, which is a very minimum amount of hair. So the V part units, they have some clip-ins here, right? So this has some clip-ins that I'm going to use. And then you also have the adjustable straps in the back and some more combs for your secure reasons. I'm not going to do the adjustable straps. I am just going to push this in so it's not getting caught onto my wig cap or anything like that. And this should be an easy installation process, right? So all I'm going to do is put the wig on. As you can see, very easy. Of course, it looks a little bit funky right now. I'm going to just twist my hair up and put a little clip on it. Kind of hold it out of the way. I'm gonna pull this around. I'm gonna utilize this comb. I'm just gonna stick it in over here on my edge and clip that in. That feels so secure, guys. Oh my gosh, that feels really good. I'm gonna do the same over here. Stick this comb in. And now it is all secure. This literally is not gonna move. It feels so secure, y'all. Like no movement is going on with this unit. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm gonna just finger comb and then add some water and oil. So I'm gonna just go ahead and like spread all of this hair out so it's not super tight. So you of course can wear it like this if you want. This is a style in itself, but I want it to be a little bit more polished. So I'm gonna add the water. Got my spray bottle handy. Alright you guys, so we have the unit installed, completed, and it looks so good. I'm really feeling this entire style. I went ahead and added some water to it. I brushed it out, add a little bit of firm holding spray so it will hold the curls like I intended. It looks nice and juicy. This section right here in the front, it does seem to be drying down just a little bit more than I intended, so I'll probably add a little bit of oil there to like keep that pretty curled up. And then I like the bigger look. It just looks even and big all the way around. But if you look into the lace area, it literally looks like it's just all coming from the scalp. No lace needed. Right here, if you pull the hair back, you can see like my edges are exposed there, but towards the front you see no indentation from where the wig starts. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a link there for you to purchase it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.